He begins to weave a mat of sticky silk. As the strands dry, they tighten and lock him inside the leaf, where he sheds his skin in safety, emerging not as a butterfly, but as a more colourful caterpillar. Now, rather than blending in, he stands out and is already turning heads. But there is method to his madness. Sporting huge eye-like spots, he rears up, impersonating something that strikes fear into even the most persistent predators. A snake. But this alone is not enough to convince a sharp-eyed starling. So the spice bush takes his deception to the next level. He flicks out a horn-like organ called an osmeterium. His very own imitation forked tongue, designed to disperse a foul-smelling acid into the air. It's a flawless performance,